Bros, you there where they want shape black man picking to your name. You there where?
Madam, hold on now. Madam.
Not be madam. I see people that they ask you there where yes or no, not the explain.
Madam, see.
Not be madam. I talk to you, Mr. Osifo. You there where they want shape black man picking name to your name.
If I'm on my platform, this woman will not talk to me. Or
not the woman they talk. Not the woman. Not the woman.
She asked a question. No, okay, she asked a question.
He has internet problem, bro.
I know.
You get too much problem of internet. Talk apart, I swear.
Internet.
No, yes. Madam, see, whosoever you are, I don't give a damn.
Not be woman, not be woman, a man. Wait, man.
Don't tell me to woman.
Hold on.
Wait, Nana, so they call me man, no.
I am too big on social media for you to come and be asking.
Bro, if you pay for social media in your pocket, you don't pay for us on social media. The last.
I'm not saying that you they talk.
You see, Mr. Osifo, if you big for social media, not big for anybody.
Don't.
You as a Nigerian man, you are a woman.
Call me earlier. I'm telling you, because I don't want to receive any call. The fact, madam, she asked a question. No, see,
you told me to
you
madam.
are calling me and not receiving your call. Let me express it the way it is to me right now.
He's a man, not be woman. They talk to you, na man. He's a man. Yeah, not be woman. I didn't decide the whole day. Now, man, he not talk anything bad, now.
No, see, hold on, see.
That Tompolo they talk.
See, Tompolo, okay, now hold on, my dear.
What? Mr. Osifo, surname, then did that Dacia birth certificate. Is it true?
Yeah, it's true. She just went to change.
If you pay money to this woman and they don't change your surname to this Osifo own, why can't it be like that?
Okay. You see this question where you ask, so I don't go fight the thing. They can't tell me say for the birth certificate, say my name they under as the father.
Your name the other, Osifo name called the other.
Is no Osifo name not the under. Osifo name now waiting the fee change with €200 you can change it.
No, before you change, if you name no they no fee change the name now. Osifo name day or no day.
Yeah, Osifo name now that's Osifo now. The
who go put your daughter name? Who go put Osifo name for your daughter birth certificate?
Nah, Mabel go do that thing.
But why would this man here?
Okay, now hold on. Is your daughter named the Bia Osifo and you could pay child benefits to give her?
They pay till tomorrow.
Hey, problem deal.
And they pay 300. If you say na lie, they print out every year, waiting at the pay every year. I get the.
What you can break quarrel between? What you can break quarrel between you and she? Will be say you and she not can become enemy.
Okay.
You were nice to her.
When we did together, then she can't give me €5,000. Say okay, make her take the do what my mate they do. She borrow me. Then I can't go into the runs. Along the line, I can't get problem. As I dey inside prison now, before I come out now, she done the work out.
Which runs? You did to which runs?
Naigbo.
And you dey talk away, so in Mabel give me my mate to do Igbo.
Yes, she borrowed me €5,000.
So Mabel there where say you dey do Igbo business.
Yeah, why she there?
He dey involve the business. I don't know what they do.
She not dey involved, but now she borrow me money till they do the thing, and the money they come home, all of us they make use of them.
If he give you money, to do Igbo,
it's your enemy. You call it
if she give you money, they say Igbo, and the money they come 12 and spell. That means 12 now they involved directly, man.
Yeah, she dey involved, but when I get the case, I tell them say she don't know anything about it.
So that means what Mr. Osifo say told them they do
no, not like that. You know, say as a woman, person why if you do any business, why people borrow you money?
No be that kind of business, but I want to smile. Cause that business no be legal business. Understand? So now, what you that going to concern me? Now, your own daughter when you born carry your son name. Osifo is not there when you bought that picking. What did happen when maybe they change your name, your son name to Osifo?
Maybe they make una ask and what me I do when he be say first of all change am to Kobad.
So Mr. Osifo,
you can't change am now to Osifo.
Bros, wait. Mr. Osifo, you hear me?
I don't want to trust anybody.
You hear me, bro? You hear me?
Loud and clear.
Now when I go change this man surname to your name, you they aware?
No, I'm not there aware.
You're not there aware.
The reason wait, hold on. Hold on now, may you hold on.
Carry on.
The reason why I said I'm not there aware, I don't know how Austrian function. If you come to a country, I just came to Italy, not less than 1 year when I came to Italy. That was why I fall into this mess. I don't know how Euro function before I met Mabel. Now where I was applying for sojourner, as in corner camp in Padova, I was the founding father in the whole of every African country. I was highly respected. But I never knew how it functioned in the camp. So when I met Mabel, because of the children taking this Dacia they are talking about, Michelle and Damien, and as at then, I don't know anything about Henry. What I knew about Henry was a black man who came to use her for documents. And Papa Michelle got motor accident. That was what I knew when I was in the camp. And I felt as an African, as a sister in the same village from me. I said, this person, me and she know from village over 20-something years. And she couldn't tell me, say, this is the reason why I did not, even this Henry can attest. I never came close to Henry Onyema. The reason why I never claimed to Henry Onyema is
because
you
there when they want shape black man picking to your name, you there aware?
Madam, hold on now. Madam.
Not be madam, I see people that they ask you, they are aware, yes or no, not they explain.
Madam, see.
Not be madam, I talk to you. Mr. Osifo, you there aware they want shape black man picking name to your name?
If I'm on my platform, this woman will not talk to me. Or
not the woman, they talk, not the woman, not the woman.
Listen to me. She asked a question. No, okay, she asked a question.
He has internet problem, bro.
I know.
You get too much problem of internet. Talk apart, I swear.
Internet.
No, yes. Madam, see, whosoever you are, I don't give a damn.
Not be woman, not be woman, a man. Wait, man.
Don't tell me to woman.
Hold on.
Wait, Nana, so they call me man, no.
I am too big on social media for you to come and be asking.
Bro, if you pay for social media on your pocket, you don't pay for us on social media. Relax.
I don't say now you they talk.
See, Mr. Osifo. Mr. Osifo, if you big for social media, not big for anybody.
Don't.
You as a Nigerian man, you allow a woman.
Call me earlier. I'm telling you, because I don't want to receive any call. Madam, she asked a question. No, see.
You told me to
if you
madam.
are calling me and not receiving your call, let me express it the way it is to me right now.
He's a man, not be woman. They talk to you. Na man. He's a man. Yeah, not be woman. I think they decided the whole day. Now, man, he not talk anything bad, now.
No, see, hold on, see.
That Tompolo they talk.
See, Tompolo, okay, now hold on, my dear. Whatsoever question you are asking, you say whether I don't know right from the onset.
You guys should stop this emoji. I will block it out of you. Stop
That is the reason why I said I never knew the law. And ignorance is not an excuse in the law. I have explained it. I don't have to go deep down. If you're asking me if I did not know that Mabel Dacia is answering Osifo, and you heard this very clearly, that not be Osifo, he don't fair answer. He don't fair answer Erine, he answer Cobalt before he answer Osifo. Now, let me clear the audience. The reason why she answered Osifo, and I never knew about it, it is because we were legally married in the court. And she...
Hello, my brother. There is somebody here that you have to bring up.
Hold on.
This woman get two children. We born for white person. Why this not the black one has changed? What it happened to your name? Why you not change the many? Why is it not legally married? Why you not change the white one to your name? Why is it not only the black one like they change?
I think you know hear what they talk where they listen.
Okay.
Henry Tekon here say he don't change his name to Cobalt before. Who be Cobalt? Are they asking?
Yeah, bros, he just send you gift just now. Please bring him up.
Who be Cobalt? Cobalt, come on.
Who be Cobalt?
Damn, he said bring me up. Bros, help me bring him up. Is
Kobag?
oin two.
Who be Kobag now? You say who be Kobag?
Kobag now be Papa Damien.
Okay.
Papa Michelle now be Roland Williams. Make the ask Michelle. Make the ask Mabel.
You shut up your mouth, so which one be many? You know which one be truth or lie? This man
wait, someone talk and be not being short.
The man is sick in the head. You are saying man many. Shut up your mouth.
Okay, oh family, make you wait, someone talk everything. I'm gonna calm down. No wait, someone talk now. Now, so make person talk now. Make you go drink water.
Continue to try to bring me up.
No, they hear me.
We hear you.
Make you go drink water now. Or you there.
They don't share person name. They don't share person picking name.
You know, concern you. That's not be your picking name. They change. Leave am. Now your picking name they change. Leave am. Now one name they change am.
Okay, you go like that.
You know, concern you. Now your name they change. They change your picking.
Okay, you change your own
Now
picking.
talk now. More talk
Please
everything.
bring him up, please.
See,
Good evening, sir.
hold on.